morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video I will be doing the camera of my Humvee. Alright, let's follow me. Good morning. Today video, let's install this TV screen on the Humvee, and I will install 4-corner camera. This will be the side camera, like a mirror. This will be the front cam, and other one like this should be on the back of the Humvee. And these wire, red, green, blue, gray, will activate left side signal, and then right side signal, because every time I turn left and right, it will activate a full screen of the TV, so I can see clear on my TV. Alright, so first thing first, let's retighten all the screw. So this will be my front camera. Alright, let's see where I am going to install this camera. This is the front of my Humvee. So this is my guns mountain right here. I am going to install camera right here to project whatever on the front. I want to put it right here. So somewhere like drill a hole up here. 2 holes right here. Drill right there. So I got 2 holes drilled it. One on this side and one on this side. Okay, got my nut together. Okay, let's get the 3/8 and tight these guys up. It's been giving me trouble all day long. Now I'm done with trouble. Okay, I think it's good. Let's go do on the back. So on this side, I need to mount this camera somewhere, because this one is basically is my rear view. It's just like my rear camera, or up here, or I would say right here, because this one already have hole right here. So I already got hole right here, so I don't have to drill another hole. So I am going to just use one of these and just mount it right there, because whatever back here is like, it's way up here. Tire somewhere here, spare tire. The camera should be like up here somewhere, or like somewhere over here. That should be tight enough right there. So it's gonna be like this. All right, now that's pretty easy. 2-second job. All right, so let's go install the right side camera. This one is the right side camera. It comes with double tape to see if this tape going to work on the Humvee. Oh, okay, double tape right here. Now let's go put on the side door of the Humvee. For right now, I am going to just stick it right here, because later on I am going to build something like to mount it on the bracket. So I'm gonna be like this. For right now, I'm just gonna stick it right here, away from whatever my door hinge, my door. In the future, I need to, remove the door so it won't get on the way. So right now, let's do it right here. peel off the sticker. So it's stick really good. I have not run the wire yet, but I just connect it together to see how it's going to look like in the TV. Alright, it's been connected. It looked like I don't have a lot of room on my left side mirror, on the driver's side mirror, on the driver's side. So I planning to stick the camera right here, but right now it because this is on the way, so I need to figure out how to mount it on the Humvee. Let's see. Okay, I can move this off a little bit, so I need to stick this on the Humvee away from, gonna be right there like that. Okay, all right. Okay, everything is stick on the Humvee right now. I have this wire from a long time ago because I built this switch because anyone can come and start with the Humvee. Without the switch, you can't start the Humvee. So right now I'm just gonna use this wire and then connect to the TV screen. Let's put it over here for right now. So this TV screen work with from 12 volt all the way to 35 volt. So this Humvee is 24 volt, good. I don't have to do any converter. So I'm just gonna connect straight from the wire to the TV. Cool. So I am not going to talk about how I am going to wire or plug in all the four corner camera or anything else, because if you buy a camera, so instructions should come with your whatever device. So yeah, I'm just gonna from the red and then black, that's what I need to do right now. Cool. Okay, I keep this screen away and then do the wire. Let's start with blacks wire and the yellow wire. So yellow wires can work with, it's say 12 to 24 volt right here, but in the book say I can do from 12 to 35 volt. I don't have to do any converter to downgrade my power, so this is good. So yep, let's start wire. The yellow one is go to the battery, and then this one go to ignition key switch right here, because I have these two wire right here. One is from the battery, and then one is like a switch, something like that. I am going to connect the yellow is from the battery. Battery is right here, because right here, and then this is already switched. Okay, I need to use my teeth. It worked. Okay, together, good. And then this yellow wire, I am going to connect straight to the battery. This is from battery. So yellows and red, wired to the somewhere that I want. Okay, now I need to do the ground. Okay, connected. Oh, it turned on right away. I'm not even, so okay, let's see. I'm not even like do anything yet. So let's try to turn it on. Nice. It turned on now. See, because I have not connect the camera, so everything is front, left, right, back camera is no signal right now. All right, let's turn this off to see it turn off. Come on. Yep. So, yeah. So because this TV screen come with the stand and come with the stick. I think right now I need to move this one over and then put it right here. Move it over there. Yeah, I think this is better for me because it's lower and then I can still see whatever that side. So drill this a little bit bigger hole. Okay, fit perfectly. Moment of truth. Okay. So we're gonna be like stick. So right now it's good. So I don't know how shaky it is, but how when the Humvee shake, I don't know how good is this steady, but this is how I like it. Okay, let's cover this back up. All the wires go in here and the hole drill out and then stick out and then connect to the big screen right here. The front camera, I will drill the hole right here because this hole already got a hole right here. I'm just gonna make it bigger. So just making sure that this one is go in, not stucking. So a little bit bigger. All right. Hope it's big enough. Alright. So connect this wire over here. Effect. Yeah. Yes. Everything is good. Channel 3. Okay, good. Lock it in place. Now I need to run the wire from the right side of the Humvee. So I need to do the same thing. I'm just gonna run the wire from here to the big hole over there. So fit everything in just one hole. Plug this in. Good seal right here because right here you kind of seal it in just like a old ring in here. So I'm gonna be right here like that. Ow. Use some zip tie. I zip tied them all right. Anything extra wire, I'm gonna keep it somewhere here. So I got 3-corner camera right now. I got the left side and I got the front side. I need the back camera. And back camera is so challenging me right now, so I don't know. I want to put up there, but the tie is on the way.
So I put the tire up, and then look like the tire, you see this whatever backup camera right here, and then the tire is on the way. So I don't like it. So right now I need to move them. I need to move my camera, go somewhere. Let's see if I want to put it down here. For this one, I am going to use rivet because this steel unable to screw in. I'm going just using the rivet and then lock them together in place. Moment of truth. Okay. Now I need to plug in, able to adjust how I want it. So this cable is pretty long, look. So see this wire? So I'm going to just follow that wire on all the way to the front. So basically I run the wire under the tire and then under here, and later on I am going to zip tie it, and then all the way here, come out here, and then come to the hot engine, and then same hole over there. Now one last plug is the channel 2. Okay, look like I have every corner camera is on right now, and then I need to fix this one. It look up right now. So basically this 2 block right here, that would be this green thing need to point to that block, and then where I want the red should be somewhere in here. Let me go adjust that. I want to point down my camera a little bit. So this is what I want. So when I back up about this, see the end right there, and then to that can right there, that can be like too close, so I need to stop my truck. So let's go see. So close enough. So let me go to home, and then setting, and reverse calibrate. So let's do this. Reverse calibrate. So let's do that right there, that block. So anything to that block, and then close to that red, then I need to stop. Okay, let's push this tie back in over there, but it can see everything on the back. So pretty much it looked like that. So now I need to run this wire to the one is to the right side signal, and one to the left side signal, and then one to the reverse light. So every time that I need to back up every time I put on the reverse, and then this screen gonna pop up like this. But right now I don't have no reverse light, so I need to do the work in here able to get my reverse light. Not right now, it's too much. So I find out the wire for this left signal, one of these right here. So I unplug, so let it run, and then unplug this guy, and then until I unplug this one, and then that signal light go out, and then I know the number is right here, and then it connect right here. The number is 460 and then 461. So can be It's the same side, it's the same number, another side, probably. Okay, get them both connected, blues and gray. All right, let's see here. Let's turn right, turn left. So it automatically see over there, and then turn right. Oh, so good. Okay, turn off, and then it should come back normally. So, all right, try again, like close screen right here. Turn on the left side, and then turn on the right side. Whoa, that's so cool. All right. So I keep figuring out how to wire this thing. Right now, I find out it's really close to their turn signal control right here, and I got one is the 460. That's gonna be the right side. The left side signal, the driver side signal, and then no. Let me back up. 460, that gonna be on the passenger side signal, and then 461 gonna be on the driver side. So right now it worked. So right now I don't have to run any more wire from here all the way to there. I'm just gonna connect it right here. So right now, almost 8:30. The screen is still bright. Okay, let's test drive. Let's drive on the road. So I got no right side mirror right now. So all right, let's test drive. I need to do a better job. So right now I only turn on the rear camera right now. So good so far. All right, let's turn right. So cool. So this is nighttime. Everything it worked with a little bit light. Like I have a little bit of light outside, so you still can see clear, but on the front of me I have a tiny bit lumen. I'll probably say that's only 2 or 3 lumen right there. So but I still can see clear. Not clear, but in some spot that I can't see. All right, I'm done for the night. So yesterday I keep this 4-corner parking monitor, so like that. So even the vehicle is off, everything is off right now. So the monitor, the camera is still on. So let's see if it drained my battery. Not really. So big truck. Okay, so everything is worked perfectly right now. So everything is done. So I run all the wire around last night, and then zip tied it, and I have nothing else to do, but I need to test drive really at night, and then I need to test drive. I did test drive yesterday, and then another thing I need to test drive is at night time to see how it going to look like at night time. For right now it's done, so I need to peel this off.
So no more screen protection.
For the reverse camera or light, so I bought this two LED light. This one will be go on the back of my Humvee, so this will be the reverse light. So I'm going to install this one later on, but not right now, so I don't have time to do it anymore. So I will, because I don't want to spend more money to whatever the wire harness inside of this gear handle, and I am just going to just make my own, something that you know, stick out right here, and then to activate my reverse light. So, and then when it activate my reverse light, and then it can activate my rear camera too. So yep, for right now I am done with this video, and I come back to build one of these, my reverse light. Okay, it's been a week of this process, so thank you so much for your watching. Please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and comment my channel and have my channel grow. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. You have a good day.